Trafalgar Square, guys.
Ako.
Wrong timing. It's raining. Yung mga marites dyan, oh, ipagkagat ko ng lion dun, oh. The marites is like gossiping. Habi! Marites, habi. Oh, guys! Diba? I can't believe it. I'm here already. Pero I'm nanginginig, guys. I was like, my hands are shaking. Grabe. The cold is different. Oh, the cold. Ayan. Ay, umuulan kasi, guys. May fish siguro dito, guys. Let's see if there is a fish. And let's get the fish. They are wishing here, right, Abby? Wishing. This is well. What's that, Abby? Is it the museum? National Gallery, guys.
Paintings.
Tomorrow. We will go there tomorrow?
With all your bags? No.
Dami ko kasing bags,
I thought you had
guys.
one bag.
Tapos dito, guys, tignan nyo dito. Nandito yung eye, right, Abby? The London Eye. Is it here? Or
No,
on the
it's like
other
miles
side?
down there.
Ah.
Long way
Nandun,
away.
malapit lang dito, guys. Nandun dito banda. Wala, nanginginig na ako, guys. Uwi na ako mamaya. Ang lamig. Ang daming oh, red bus, oh.
Hello.
Yan, oh, guys. Lamig, guys. Bukas pupunta naman kami dito. Itutur ko ulit kayo, guys. Bye-bye. Lamig talaga. Yan, oh.